Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to talk about bidding strategies which we can apply inside a LinkedIn Ads account. So if you look at the LinkedIn Ads account, there are different types of bidding which we will be able to do over here. These bidding types are aligned with the campaign's objective and based on which you can set it up and achieve your business objectives. So there are bidding strategies which is around conversions. Okay, there is for traffic as well, for clicks, impressions, views. You can also have bidding strategies around the cost per conversion. So like that, various types of bidding options LinkedIn provides you to select from. So let's have a look at all of these one by one. So the first one which we're going to talk about is maximize delivery. Maximize delivery is like an automated bidding strategy which LinkedIn provides. With the help of this bidding strategy, you can achieve your specific goals which you may have with respect to clicks, impressions, conversions. So this bidding strategy works in such a manner that it will try to generate as many clicks, impressions, or conversions which you have set for the campaign's objective. Okay. In this bidding strategy, you will be charged based on impressions. Okay. However, you will not get an option to set a bid or cost cap in this. Okay, so let's have a look at this, how we can select this bidding strategy inside a LinkedIn Ads campaign. So once you are inside the account, guys, we can go ahead and let's say create a new campaign altogether. So now in the campaign settings page, you can choose the campaign objective based on which you can choose your bidding strategies. Now the maximize delivery bidding strategy is aligned with business objectives like website visits, engagement, video views, or let's say lead gen, website conversions and stuff. Okay, so let's have a look at this. If we choose website visits and if you come to the bidding section, so now you can see you can select the maximize delivery bidding strategy. This bidding strategy will now try to generate as many clicks as possible for on your website once the people click on the ad. So that can be one way. In the same manner, if you choose, let's say, engagement, then the objective becomes engagement for this campaign. And now the same bidding strategy will try to increase and get as much engagement as possible on the ads for your business. So this bidding strategy, which is marketing, which is maximize delivery, is useful for various kinds of business objectives, as you can see now. Okay, so that's the first one. In the same manner, you have cost cap. Cost cap is another type of a bidding strategy, which is really great to control the cost or the money you spend on each conversion. This bidding strategy is applicable in a lead generating kind of a business. If you want to make sure that you're getting leads at a certain cost, then in those scenarios, we use the cost cap bidding strategy. So what it will do is we'll try to run the ads in such a manner that the average amount of money which you are spending to generate the lead is nearby the amount which you set over here. So let's see this, guys, also how we can implement this in a campaign. So once you are inside the campaign, you're building out the campaign. For a cost cap bidding strategy, you need to choose the campaign objective to be lead generation. Only then you will get the option to choose this bidding strategy. So now you can see in the bidding section, we have the option for cost cap. And here now you can set a cost cap per lead, which is basically the average amount of money you are willing to spend to generate that lead. So you can set the amount in this particular manner. This becomes another bidding strategy. This is really great when you want to keep a control on your advertising cost, when you are in a B2B business and you're trying to generate leads through LinkedIn Ads account. Similarly, another bidding strategy which LinkedIn provides you with is manual bidding. In manual bidding, as you can understand by the name itself, you will be able to set the bids yourself, and that is the amount of money which LinkedIn will charge you for achieving those specific key results. So this bidding strategy can also be used for various purposes, which can be related to impressions, landing page clicks, engagement clicks, okay, sends or video views, depending on the campaign objective. Okay. Now here, the good part with manual bidding is you have a complete control on your bid amount. You are deciding how much you want to pay. Okay. So here you can be charged for various reasons. So let's see this as well, how you can implement this. So once you're inside the campaign creation page, okay, now for this as well, you can choose various campaign objectives. Let's say I'm choosing right now website conversions. Now with website conversions, I can get an option for manual bidding enhanced, which you can see out here, and I can set a particular bid over here for every landing page click. Okay, so which basically is the amount, an average amount of money which I'm willing to pay for every click, which I'm setting out here. Same way, if you choose any other bidding strategy, let's say we are looking at engagement, or let's say video views. Here as well, you can set a manual bidding, and you can choose a particular bid which you want to pay for every video view which you get. So like this, for different bidding objectives, for different campaign objectives, you can set a manual bidding which you want to pay for every instance it happens. I hope this makes sense. So these are the 3 types of bidding strategies which LinkedIn will offer you while you build a campaign with them. Does this make sense? Okay, so I hope this is making sense to everyone. And now you have a clear idea about how to use bidding strategies in LinkedIn Ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.